Step into the Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: transmission 6-speed manual, STD, Stream satellite radio, quick order package 23 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVTU PG1 with ESS transmission, 6-speed manual, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches polished watt per gray spokes, STD, trailer tow and HD electrical group included, Class 2 receiver hitch 240 amp alternator 7 and 4 pin wiring harness 700 amp maintenance free battery auxiliary switches, Stingray clear coat, black leather trim seats with Sahara logo included, leather wrap park brake handle number 1 seat foam cushion premium wrapped IP bezels leather wrapped shift knob, Apple CarPlay and body color 3-piece hard top included, rear window